Hi everybody, I'm just doing a little video. I've just tried to put the heating on because we've not put the heating on yet. I don't know whether any of you had this trouble with it as well. But it's getting really cold. And I don't know what these things are. You'll have to like put your comments. But you've got this thing here, this thing you turn. And when I turn this, you watch.
8 numbers at 1,000, 8 numbers, 6 numbers, 16 numbers at 1,700.
What's that about? I'll just try that again.
8 numbers at 1,000, 8 numbers, 6 numbers, 16 numbers at 1,700. 8 numbers at 1,000, 8 numbers.
Now, I don't know whether your radiators are doing that when you turn them at home, but drop your comments. I'd like to know what that's about.